Hello everyone. Today my video is going to be a follow-up of yesterday's video that I put out. Today I'm going to explain a little bit more about my equations and how they answer a few questions that scientists have had for centuries. Just to recap, my equation E equals mc squared AER. AE is effective area of a magnetic field, R is resistance. And E is not equal to mc squared AeV. Again, A is effective area of magnetic field and V is velocity. Simply put, when a powerful enough magnetic field, what I call the effective magnetic field, I call it that because it's the magnetic field that has the most effect on its immediate surroundings. When that powerful effective magnetic field is moving with the matter, it is affecting, with the matter that it's affecting, then that matter can travel faster than light's speed. Now, in 1987, our neutrino collectors that we have were bombarded by neutrinos, and the scientists and the astronomers they pointed their telescopes in the direction that these neutrinos were traveling from, and for 3 hours and 5 minutes they saw nothing. Then finally they saw, after 3 hours and 5 minutes, the light from a supernova. Well, a supernova is a large nuclear explosion, and with every nuclear explosion you get a magnetic pulse that generates outward, and all of the matter, neutrinos, the smallest form of matter, that were caught up in that magnetic pulse were able to travel faster than the speed of light, and that's why they arrived at Earth prior to the light from the same event. Now, my equations also, not only do they explain that, but they also explain why our universe is as large as it is. If Einstein's equation E equals mc squared was 100% correct, and our universe is roughly 14 billion years old, then if this is the Big Bang, our universe should only be 14 billion light years out in all directions from the Big Bang, if nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. But it's not. It's 75 billion light years out in all directions from the Big Bang. The Big Bang, I am supposing, is again another large nuclear explosion. And so with every nuclear explosion, you get a magnetic pulse that emanates from the center outwards. And so all of the matter of the universe, while it was traveling with that magnetic pulse, was able to travel faster than the speed of light. Now, at the CERN facility outside Geneva, they clocked, it would have been about 2009, they clocked several neutrinos that were traveling faster than the speed of light. And nobody could explain that. Well, my equations explain that, because the particle accelerator uses magnetic repellers to direct the particles around the accelerator. That means that those particles, for a while, are moving in the same direction as that magnetic field. And then they shoot them off at the target in Italy, and they travel there and arrive 60 billionths of a second faster than they should have. Well, that means that during that time that they were traveling around the accelerator, moving with that magnetic field, that accelerated their speed for a period of time. Now, my equations also will explain how we will be able to not only travel faster than the speed of light, Because if we put a large enough magnetic field around our spacecraft that is powerful enough to keep the matter from dematerializing once it reaches the speed of light, because the electrons will relate to, and electrons and protons will all relate to that effective magnetic field as it's traveling through space. Not only will we be able to travel faster than the speed of light, but this explains how we'll be able to pass matter through matter. And I'll get into that in another video. I hope to write a paper on that soon. Anyway, I hope that this has piqued your interest, and I hope you've enjoyed my video. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below, and I'll try to put a link in the where it says show more below. If you click on that, I'll try to put a link in there to yesterday's video with my equations. So thank you so much for watching.